Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nest. The topic what I want to discuss today is an auspicious festival celebrated since my childhood, and I have enjoyed this festival, Diwali, the festival of lights. Let's see what all we can discuss today on this topic. Diwali is one of the most celebrated festival in India and among Indian communities around the world. Known as the Festival of Light, Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. The festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm, joy, and devotion by people of different ages and backgrounds. Beyond its colorful decorations and fireworks, Diwali carries deep culture, spiritual, and social significance. The origin of Diwali is connected to several historical and religious traditions. According to the Hindu epic Ramayana, Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama, goddess Sita, Lakshman back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile and the defeat of demon Ravan. The people of Ayodhya welcomed them by glowing lamps, lighting lamps called diyas to celebrate the trump of right. The other traditions, the festival is also associated with goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, who is worshipped during Diwali for blessings of happiness and success. Well, preparation of Diwali begins many days before the festival even starts. Homes, offices, streets are cleaned, decorated with beautiful lights, rangoli patterns, flowers, and candles. Family buy new clothes, gifts, and sweets to share with relatives and friends. The atmosphere during Diwali becomes vibrant and colorful, reflecting unity, prosperity, and celebration. One of the important aspects of Diwali is the spiritual message it delivers. The lighting of the lamp represents the removal of negativity and the awakening of inner wisdom. Diwali encourages people to forgive the past mistakes, strengthen better relationships, and begin a new chapter of life with hope and prosperity. It reminds humanity that goodness and truth ultimately defeat evil and injustice. Well, modern celebration of Diwali also sometimes may raise environmental concern like firecrackers causing air pollution or noise pollution, but do remember, Diwali is not only a festival of light but also a celebration of hope, joy, which tells you your culture and moral values. It inspires people to spread kindness, wisdom, and happiness in society. The beauty of Diwali lies not just in the lighting and brightening the homes, but in the positive spirit that brightens the heart and minds across the world. I love this festival, friends, since my childhood and has been celebrated throughout and wait for this festival actually every year. Well, thank you for watching. This was my take on the topic. Use this video as a reference if you like it, and stay tuned for my next video on Knowledge Nest. Bye.